What's up, sneaker students? Sneaker teacher here with another video for you guys. I know you're going to enjoy it. Let's get it started. Class is now in session. Today's sneaker objective is sneakerheads will be able to unbox and review the Jordan 5 Green Bean. Before we get into the unboxing and before we get to the review, we got to take a trip down memory lane and learn a little bit about our sneaker of the day. The Green Bean 5 was originally released in 2006 and was heralded for all of its out-of-the-box concept and materials. Its original price tag was $135 and has been a staple in the OG sneakerhead world. So let's get into it. I was able to get these off of the SNKRS app. And I believe that these are still sitting in other places. Why, I do not know, but for whatever reason in the sneaker community, 5s are no longer popping. So my box is a little messed up, and I don't care. This just comes from all the sliding that was happening when it was in the shipping box. But you can see we got the Green Bean Jumpman right here. And something that I noticed about this is that when you feel the texture on this portion of the box, it's got like this nice little gradient on it, and the speckles, you can actually feel it, the cement speckles. So that's a nice feature. Your boy's a size 10, 9.5 every now and again, but I got these to be a size 10. So let's open up the box. Standard issue. You got the tissue paper. It's got the speckles in it. And right off the bat, we got us a nice, pretty Green Bean shoe. Let's put these babies here. And we're gonna move you guys out of the way. Put you off to the side here. All right, let's look at the shoe. And we got the icy soles on the bottom. We got the Green Bean colorway over here on the shark teeth. This leather, which is 3M synthetic leather, is really nice. It feels very smooth. Jordan brand has been getting a lot of flack lately because of quality control, and that seems to be an issue. But my pair, let me just look at them. Seems to be okay. Quality control is really good. Gray laces on the shoes. We got the lace locks. Good. Let's look at the insole. Insoles are nice. Nothing too special. Just simple, direct and to the point. This is my second pair of 5s that I bought this year, and the Jordan 5 is actually my favorite silhouette by Tinker Hatfield. And if you haven't seen that short that I've recently done on Tinker Hatfield's Creations, make sure you check it out. The banner's up here somewhere. I love the quality. I love the shine that it gives off. We're going to do the flash test in just a second because you know that 3M, it shines like a champion. Green Bean Jumpman on the back and on the tongue. The inner lining, the sneaker lining, has got that good Kermit the Frog green going on. I just really can't complain. It's got the icy netting on the sides to match the icy soles. And I really cannot complain about this shoe. This shoe is a throwback silhouette and colorway. Now it's time to go to the on-feet look to see how they feel. Overall, I give this shoe a B+. It's super simple. It's nothing like to wow you about. I guess I take points off for the box coming the way it did, and that's no fault of the sneakers. It's just a Nike issue. They feel good, they look good. The only thing now is to try to find a fit to put it together with. You guys let me know your thoughts in the comments, and that's it for this episode. Class dismissed. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.